Hi, my name is Alyssa Skidmore, and today I will be talking about how to take a customer's request for a part change and how to accurately get through the process of altering the print, altering the part, and getting the print that is revised back to the customer so they can then begin producing the part that they want. For starters, I will be talking about pre-existing parts and how to accurately change them to what the customer wants. Here I have a part that we make at Peak Manufacturing. If we were to, for example, if the customer wanted to change the inside radius of this cylindrical object, it is not a perfect cylinder, which is why it is ultimately press-fitted into a machine where we have a mold. We put these cylindrical metal parts into the molds and they push them to the size. They're pretty accurate. They're extremely accurate, actually. And all we have to do to change these is change the prints of the parts and then alter what we have to do from that point on our machines. For starters, we open up the print for the part. Since it is a revolved part, which means that since it's cylindrical, we only have to change one face of it, which would be this face here if we were to split it in half and take a quarter. So it would be straight across here. We open the sketch, and as you can see, it's got dimensions for every part of this print. Inside diameter of this part, outside and inside of this one, the radius of the outside and inside curve. And for today, if they wanted to change the inside radius of the part, all you would have to do is you would have to select that radius. Right now it is 30. If they wanted to change it to 45, all you would have to do is enter the number 45, put it into that dimension, it will change the part, and you will see that it's shallower on the radius on the inside. Now, after you do that, you exit the sketch, and you open up the print. You can see here that it changed the radius on the inside also to 45. It does this because the part and the print are linked together, so anything that gets changed on the part itself will be changed on the print as well. Right now, it's changed from the original, but if we wanted to change it back, just to show you that it is linked, all you'd have to do is open up the sketch, go back to that dimension, re-enter that number of 30, it changes it back, you exit the sketch, you go to the print, and it changed the number back to 30. Now, since we wanted to have it changed, all you would have to do is, again, redo the steps, change the number to what the customer wants, enter it, exit sketch, go back to print. Now what you would do is you would save this print as what it is, as long as you got all of the revisions that the customer wanted. You would save that automatically and revise it. Make sure you have a revision note. That way, when customers look back at the prints, they will know when they needed a revised part, and they will know that the revisions before that are no longer available and that they're obsolete. This changes a whole lot of confusion and stress about getting new parts. It saves a whole lot of money because since you are not making a whole new part by making a whole new print, it doesn't have to have the customer completely order a new part and get rid of the line of parts that they already got. By revising, you save a whole lot of money and you save a whole lot of frustration trying to figure out the system. And it saves just a whole lot of work by being able to revise and improvise from what the customer wants. For this example, these revisions that would be done would only have to be recorded just for safety and reassurance of the company that they did make a change and that they did meet the requirements of the customer. That way it is not on the producer, but on the consumer, if they have any complaints about not knowing that there were revisions. And this is how to deal with a request from a customer and change it into a revised part. Thank you very much, and I hope you learned something from this.